tell me what we talked about last week. There were 5 things that we talked about. One on Monday, one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Raise your hand if you can tell me one. Ty.
Composing.
Composing what?
Shapes.
Composing and decomposing shapes. Very good. Listen closely for our groups. If I can have first off, these people are going to stay seated because I'm going to throw in another station, okay? The 6th station is you're going to be sitting at your desks working on your vocabulary words, your definitions, okay? And studying the concepts. If you've already gotten your definitions, I want you to study because we're going behind the test. So use this as a learning opportunity. Yes?
I think my paper already got this.
Okay, do you have your spiral here with you? Okay, then study in your spiral.
I have the paper.
Oh, okay. So, you're bragging because you studied outside of class? Good job. Okay. Just a reminder, the Duck Buck Fairy will be coming around. Y'all have 8 minutes to complete each station. You may begin in 3, 2, 1, go. For line 1, you're going to connect them in the order that they happen. So which one happened first? Which dot? Good. Which one happened second? Good. Connect them in the order that they happen. And then what happened next? Which dot did you draw next? How about we do a straight line? Straight line. Good. The next one? Go all the way. Good. We don't understand. Okay. How can we use, I need all eyes on here. Hold on.
Why is it just
I need all eyes. Just real quick. Anna. How are we going to combine these 3 shapes? First, create the square. You said that you Oh, see, that's the thing. There is a way. That's not going to get us there. Show me with your small shapes. Show me with the small ones. Show me with the small ones. Show me with the small ones.
Let's shoot this.
The 2 small and the medium. So the 2 small and the medium. Looks like you're onto something.
But this one?
All right, group, do we see what's happening on the board? They should stick. You don't have to hold them. They should stick. Oh. Go ahead and squish them together. They're just underneath.
Oh, where did the other one go, please?
Very good. All right, it looks like y'all have a way to do your rectangle. All right, I'm going to count down from 10. I want y'all to restore your area, clean up. If you have things in bags, put them back in bags. And don't move. If you don't have anything to restore, just stay still. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may scoot to your next station. Station 5 goes to their seat. Station table goes to station 1. Alright, so I got you. Now, does A have, how many lines of symmetry does A have? Tell me. One. Okay, well first off, we don't want to write on this because everyone's going to be looking at that.
One of these.
Yeah, you can erase it, but what we need to do, wait. Our focus is how are we going to document this? Go. Yes, put A under column 1. Very good, Faith. See, y'all didn't need my help. You got it. You don't need to draw the figure, just write the label that each one has. So for B, how many lines of symmetry does it have?
Probably going to
You don't think it has any lines of symmetry? Well, that's what our small manipulatives are for over there if you want to prove one or hold it and see if it really is. So since this is a lot of work and we only have a little bit of time to do it, how about, hold on, How about we split up the work? Is there a way we can split up the work? How can we do that?
Like half of us can do right here, and then the other half of us can do the other half.
I like that idea. So how are you going to split them up?
Gather.
Everyone can get some shapes and just kind of start figuring it out.
How much the stone has over here?
Hold on, we're talking about how to accomplish this huge task as a group.
I kind of have.
So she said we're going to split up these shapes. Then what are we going to do after we split up the shapes? Just for a strategy, not for answers, just for strategy. How are you going to communicate with your team what you found out?
Tell them how many lines of symmetry they have.
Just let's do shout out and write it down as they come out. Yeah? Okay, tackle it.
Quietly, so the other people.
Good. Go ahead and pass these shapes out. Pass them out, pass them out. Y'all have about 4.5 minutes.
This one doesn't have any line of symmetry.
You should be listening to our teammates. You'll have 2 minutes to get this big task done. Now, stay sharp. Let's go ahead and there's going to be a big picture that the whole class is going to work on, okay? So each group is contributing to it. Yes, good teamwork. All right, station 4, what is our goal? What's the question that we're trying to answer? Hold on, just a second. All right, so what's the quick question that we're trying to answer?
Just tell her if she wants to.
It's on your sheet of paper. What's the question? Let me hear it, Brooks.
Which figure is represented by the youth given?
Very good. So, what is a strategy to solve this problem? I don't want to hear an answer. I just want to hear a strategy. How can we find this out? Which of these figures is represented by this? Huh? Building. Which ones are we going to build? I think maybe we should build all of them. Yeah. So how can we get all of this done in a team working way? How can we tackle this as a team? Alright, Michael's going to do figure 1. Who's got figure 2? Alright, 3, Ty, and 4. Alright, get to building. Good job, guys.
One second. Yeah, none of those are mine.
Save your snacks for the end. No snacks during stations, please. 30 seconds.
These two.
Yeah, because it can't be the right view. Yeah, like I just told you, you're supposed to imagine that they're in a perfectly straight line where you can only see these yellows and not the triangles in one single thing. You can't see any shade at all.
So it's like these yellow ones are substitute.
Thumbs up if you completed your station. Thumbs up from back. Did y'all get all 3 shapes? Are y'all done? Okay. Alright, I will do a 2-minute extension on this station, okay? So please work quickly. Continue.
No, you don't do that, Connor. She said that's a new line. Yeah, she said if it's a new line, then
Alright, station 5. I'm hearing a little bit of discord. What's going on?
you said. I thought you said if it's an old line, don't you can use that one, but you just
If you're starting a new line, see here it says line 1, line 2. Look over here, baby. So line 4 is not going to be connected to line 5. Okay? Does that answer your question? Okay, continue. Okay, what's the question here? What are we looking at? We're going to be using the Pick Me app, so there's no need to raise your hands unless I specifically call for it, okay? The iPad will pick you, whoever you are, the chosen one.
Okay, I might stick it.
Alright, go ahead and either close your spirals or hide your vocabulary, because I want to know what your brain knows, not what your sheet of paper knows, okay? I only want to know what your brain knows. Decomposing. Joe, this one's coming to you. Y'all, hands down. Hands down. Joe, what does decomposing mean?
Take a part of a shape to make a different shape.
Thumbs up or thumbs down. Do we agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Show me your thumbs, not your voices, please. Very good, Joe. Now, Michael, what shapes would this decompose into? Hands. 4 triangles and 1 square. Do we agree? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I need to see all thumbs. Ember says no. What do you, yes? Do you say yes? He is correct. 4 triangles and 1 square. Very good, Michael. What is a plane figure? Not an airplane. Not plain Jane, but a plane figure. Would you like to phone a friend? 3.
A plane figure is a 2D shape.
Very good. So what is a plane figure, Brooks? Class, what is a plane figure?
2D shape.